Hi, I'm Wayne with Mr. Handyman, and today we're going to show you how to install a video doorbell. To start, you'll want to install the Doorbell app on your smartphone. Then check that you received all the parts you need for installation of the video doorbell. If you have an existing doorbell, turn off the power to it first, then disconnect and remove the existing doorbell button. Position the video doorbell mounting bracket where you'd like it to be installed, making sure the wires are available for reconnection. Mount the bracket to the wall or trim, checking to make sure that it is level. Trim the insulation off the wires if needed. Determine if the previous doorbell was mechanical or digital. There is a provided diode that must be installed if it was a digital doorbell. For this application, a diode was not needed since we had a mechanical doorbell. Connect one wire to each connector following the instructions. Install the doorbell cover onto the bracket. Turn the power back on. Test the doorbell to make sure it is operating properly. Make sure the new doorbell is properly connected to the app. Insert set screws on the bottom of the cover. If you need help installing a video doorbell or have a much larger project, Mr. Handyman is your one-stop shop for all your home maintenance and repair solutions.